So, good morning, everyone. I am Divyansh, and today I am going to tell you about cybercrime in India. So, I have already talked about cybercrime in in past class. Now, I am going to tell you about how hackers work in cybercrime. So, first of all, I will talk talk with you about three types of hackers. There are three types of hackers: white hat hacker, uh, black hat, black hat hacker, and gray hat hacker. So white hat hacker is also known as ethical hacker. Like they do ethical hacking in cyber security police. These are ethical hackers. And black hat hackers are the hackers which do illegal works. I have an example also. I have prepared a website also which show how hacking start, how we can do hacking. And in third, we have gray hat hacker, which perform both work. White hat hacker also and black hat hacker. So first of all, I will talk about cybercrime in India. So, cybercrime in India is very very much common in India. We know that India is now modernizing. So if something has its merits, they have demerits also. Like when cybercrime is when cybercrime is started. First of all, this is started only when we got some calls, and if we share OTP, we our money deducted from our account without any notification. But nowadays hacking is that much created that we can hack anything, any software, any account easily. So let now I show you example of how hacking start. So here, so this is the interface of how hacking started. So first of all, I am giving some code like I have given a small code in it, and I have given this code in it, and now when I will start on enter. It started downloading data, something data. And then if it is downloaded, then there are many interface will start it. This is kind of a small hacking. It is not a real hacking. It is type of a mod. I am not using real hacking. So this is how hacker works in India. How they hack. So let us talk about this uh, current scenario. In current scenario, 28.15 lakh cases in 2020. 24% increase. In uh, in 2025, 28.15 lakh cases are there, and it is increased in India 25%. And we have got loss of 22,495 crores in India. This is a very big amount, as if it is not get uh, can we can get a more higher GDP in India. And nowadays, many of the dominant hacking is done is known as fraud, phishing, UPI scam. So anyone knows about phishing? So phishing is type of a trap. Like by the name, we can just see that fishing word. So when we go to fishing, we will make a trap for fish, and when it got trapped, we pull it, and we can take the fish out from the sea. So that is like fishing work. It is a kind of trap hackers make for us, and if we get trapped in it, they will just do with any kind of thing. And government has started many initiatives like 14C and 1913 helpline number. This is used by government for less hacking done, and we can save. And the key strategies to reduce cybercrime is public awareness and education campaigns. we have to start public awareness and education campaigns so that many people don't know about cybercrime, so they will get to know and don't get scammed by it. And strengthen law enforcement and cyber forensics. We have to strengthen our laws and cyber forensics. We have to make cyber forensics also and have to strengthen our laws for making cyber crime less in India. Robust digital infrastructure and regulation. We have to make digital infrastructure and regulation. We have to make many regulation, many infrastructure for just cyber security and promote safe online practices. We have to promote safe online practices. Like there are many websites also. If we click on that, they just get they first of all they ask for cookies. Like if we have trusted, if this is a trusted website, then also we have to click on accept all. Otherwise, we don't have to accept all it, as they will get our data also when we click on accept. And collaboration with government private sector citizens. We have to collaborate with government and private both citizens, and as government has power in hand and private have more money so that they can just collaborate and do work with more efficiency and effectiveness. And if we get scammed, we have a helpline number 1930 and reporting portal also. We can just report on that also. I don't remember the portal name. Like it is type of www.cybersecurity.com like that or that towards a secure digital India. We have to go for go forward toward a secure digital India. As India is now being digitalized, we have many digital payment also, and now India is going to digitalize. So we have to get security also for that, as many of the person don't know about cyber hacking also. So we have to gain knowledge in that also, as nowadays AI can also hack also, like we have a Mythos Claude AI which is banned by US government, which can hack also. Collective action, awareness, and technology can signify cyber security. And let's build a safer cyber space together. So we have to uh, teamwork in online digital India, cooperate with everyone, and have to save cyber space in India. Thank you.